Hi everyone, Luke from Placester here. Generating leads is an essential part of every modern business, and real estate industry is no different in this regard. Traditionally, realtors favored getting into their neighborhood, knocking on doors and introducing themselves to potential customers. Another popular practice was to buy a list of contacts and cold calling them. There are much better ways to generate leads with the use of digital channels. In this video, I will show you my favorite methods to acquire quality leads that you can turn into customers. Stay tuned. Referrals are a powerful and reliable source of new leads. In 2018, a National Association of Realtors carried out a survey, and here is what they found. 31% of buyers used an agent that was referred to them by a friend, their neighbor, or a relative. And 12% used an agent that they had worked with before to buy or sell a house. 63% of sellers found their agent through a referral as well, from a friend, a neighbor, or a relative. Or they used an agent that they had worked with before. An interesting take on referrals was also presented by a company called Cloze. They measured the conversion ratio from various sources, and they found out that the best source of leads were past clients, past buyers, sellers, and network we built around them. For example, conversion ratio for past sellers is 4:1. At the same time, conversion ratio for cold mailing is 2000:1. That gives you some perspective. So as you can see, maintaining a great relationship with your contacts pays off. Be the first person who comes to their mind when they think about buying or selling property. Driving traffic to your website is one thing, but converting that traffic into leads is an entirely different process. Many realtors struggle converting PPC traffic, which spirals the feeling that they are wasting money. The reason for that is that many agents and brokers alike send traffic to websites that are not optimized for capture emails or generate phone calls. The best way to turn this around is to use landing pages that are designed to lead capture. In their study, HubSpot found out that companies see a 55% increase in leads after increasing their number of landing pages from 10 to 15. Why? More landing pages mean more conversion opportunities and more variety. In our guide, we have listed many forms of real estate landing pages that you can utilize. My personal favorites are home valuation landing pages and luxury listings. We've also prepared a dedicated guide on how to use custom landing pages, and you can find the link in the description. The third method that, in my opinion, can bring a large number of quality leads are community pages. When a home buyer moves into a new area, they carry out an extensive research about the whole community as well as the real estate market. That's when community pages come in. By creating a community page, you can become a go-to resource for your area. There's a lot of potential to create content here. You can cover demographics, local schools, restaurants, transportation, basically everything that you find relevant. Remember to optimize your web pages for various keywords so they can show up in Google search results. That's all for today. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check our guide to find even more methods to generate quality leads for your business. I'll see you in the next one.